Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set up fingerprints on the Redmi Note 15 Pro, and trust me, the process is quite simple. First things first, you want to head over to the settings of your Redmi Note 15 Pro, and then from the settings you want to scroll all the way down until you find the fingerprint, face data and screen lock option over here. Go ahead and select that. Now keep in mind that for you to be able to set up a fingerprint, you have to first of all make sure you have set up your lock screen, which is basically your password, pin or pattern. And if you do not already have your password, pin or pattern set up, if you try to set up a fingerprint, you would first of all be required to set up one of either your password, pin or pattern before you can proceed to set up a fingerprint. So if you do not have any lock screen like your password, pin or pattern, make sure you have set that up by selecting on this option. But if you have yours already turned on, then just proceed to tap on the fingerprint unlock option over here. And now it is getting us ready. You will then be required to enter your password, pin or pattern since you already have it turned on and set up on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. I'll go ahead and enter my pattern. Click on the got it button at the bottom, and basically to set up your fingerprint, this is actually an on-screen fingerprint, so you would have to place your finger on the sensor at the bottom of the Redmi Note 15 Pro over here. You want to also make sure, according to the instruction, that both your finger and the screen are actually clean, and then you just want to place your finger like so, and then continuously place your finger until it is able to capture every part of your finger. Make sure you press and lift your finger after vibration, just like so, until it is able to capture every part of your finger. And as you can see, mine is now done. So what you just want to do at this point is to tap on the done button at the bottom over here, and the fingerprint has been set up for the Redmi Note 15 Pro. You can go ahead and add another fingerprint sensor if you want to be able to open up your Redmi Note 15 Pro with different fingers by just clicking on the add fingerprint over here. But as you can see, fingerprint 1 has already been added, and at this point, if you lock your Redmi Note 15 Pro and then try to open it up, you can simply just place your finger and your device is opened. That will be all for this video. Please subscribe and let me know in the comment section if this tutorial was helpful, guys.